yesterday. I held you in my arms, but it wasn't quite right. I sensed that something was off about you. We had a good laugh about you. When Dan kicked you out, I thought that was the very last time. Then what do you know? Here comes a trail of slime. The cupboards were open, the cupboards were bare. There's nobody in there, there's nobody there. And yet she said to me, "You fucker, you bastard, you stole my dreams again. You made me scream again. You opened the cupboard and then I was in there with all of my personal effects. We weren't having any sex. I went to a river I didn't know the name of. You said it's all the same, cause nobody likes you. Well, then they showed up to my funeral that I staged to get you off of my back. Isn't that clever? I haven't gotten to this age without learning a few tricks. I once went by Richard, but now it's just Dick. Over and over and over and over like this, and over and over and over and over and over and over again. I had a thing for girls who looked like her, but I decided I needed to think again. She's over me, and I'm over her by at least a couple of hundreds of thousands of dollars a year. I can afford anything, but I prefer beer. I'd like to stick her in the museum. But then I'd also like to have a threesome. That's pretty much it. That's the long and the short of it. I mean, if there's much more, I couldn't tell you. I wouldn't share it. But then, you're a whore. And I'm over it. I'm done. Because when I said I was through, I meant not only yourself, but with anybody who vaguely looked like you, or walked in the same general direction, or on this side of the river, or if you were just a reflection in a wading pool or a koi pond. It's always a koi pond. make believe.